Hello, loves. This is going to be a guided meditation and an activation for the grand planetary alignment. This was a request, and so whenever I looked into it, I saw the times when they were supposed to be the most aligned and the most visible in the sky, and I decided to come outside during that time and channel the energy of this alignment into this activation, creating a portal for all who listen to it. So it doesn't matter whenever you listen, you will be receiving this energy that I'm channeling into this activation. So let's just prepare for this activation and meditation by closing our eyes, taking a few deep cleansing breaths, and what I'm doing now is just going through the process of connecting with you energetically. I do this through the use of sacred symbols, allowing me to transcend time and space, to infuse this session with this channeled energy, so that whenever you are watching it, no matter when that may be, you receive this activation for your highest and best good, per your intentions, whatever you need most at this time. And I'm calling upon the energy of this grand planetary alignment, all 5 of the planets that are aligned in the skies right now. So please channel through me into all who are listening to this. In your mind's eye, in front of you now, I want you to see the energy of 5 planets. And you do not have to know what they look like. You do not have to know what they mean astrologically. I just want you now, in your mind's eye, in front of you, like stepping stones, seeing the energy of these 5 planets. And surrounding the energy of these 5 planets is a beautiful white divine vortex of energy, a portal that they are creating as they have aligned. And we're going to be walking through this portal, walking through each one of these planets, collecting their energy, allowing it to align us for whatever we need and desire most this time. So like I said, just see them as beautiful balls of energy, as stepping stones, leading you through this portal and this vortex. And we step on the first planet now, which is Saturn. And once again, just letting go of what you logically know or believe Saturn to mean, but just soaking up the exact energy from this planet in its highest vibration, receiving from it all that you need at this time. This is the highest ascended version of Saturn's energy, completely aligned with where you are on your journey, and aligning you as you walk through this portal. And just like a stepping stone, we now go to the next planet, which is Jupiter. And just soaking in all of the energy that Jupiter has for you right now, in its highest, most ascended form, per your intentions, your highest and best good. And now we move to the next planet, stepping upon that, which is Mars, soaking up the ascended Mars energy for whatever you need most at this time, a highest vibration, aligning you, aligning all. Allow yourself just to accept what this energy has to offer you. And moving now to the next planet, stepping upon that, which is Venus, receiving Venus's energy, allowing it to soak into your energy field, align with your energy as you receive exactly what you most need and desire from the most ascended energy of Venus right now. And we step onto the final planet, which is Mercury, soaking up, aligning with the most ascended energy that Mercury has to offer you at this time, allowing it to wash through you, to align your entire being for your highest and best good, per your intentions and desires. And now I want you to step into the void of space and just allow the alignment of these five planets, allow the alignment of these 5 planets to soak into your being, receiving the exact energetic alignment that you most need at this time, receiving their combined energy for your highest and best good. Look back upon these planets, seeing them as the energy, allowing yourself to receive any messages that they may have for you. And you once again become aware of this vortex of energy that is swirling all around you. And you look forward through this portal that you are about to walk through, that you have aligned your energy with. And I just want to notice, I want you to notice, what is on the other side of this portal? What do you see, feel, as you peer through the portal that you are about to walk through? And when you are ready, carrying the energy of this alignment, walk through this portal now. And I just want you to relax now that you are on the other side, and allow yourself to receive the activation, the downloads, the light codes, everything and anything that you need from the energy of this portal. Allow yourself to receive it all. And we're beginning the grounding process now, where I am grounding in the energy that you received during this session into your physical vessel, into your mind, into your body, your emotions, and your energetic field. And I want you to feel the energy that you received, now grounding into Mother Earth. You are taking the high vibration of the cosmos, grounding it into Mother Earth, into your physical, personal reality, and into the collective reality here on Earth. It's like you can feel the energy that you received, the crown of your head. It's flowing through your entire being, down through your feet, into Mother Earth, creating a continuous energy flow as above, so below. And Mother Earth sends her energy up through you and connects with the cosmos, with the energy of this alignment. And I have now disconnected from this energy session. So be it and so it is. Let's take a moment to give thanks for all that we were offered during this session. And I want to thank you for being here. I hope that you enjoyed this energy that we channeled today. And I will leave you here. Extensive healings always linked below. And I will talk with you next time. So much love.